It's another warm-ish day. And I'm just getting back to doing this. It's been how many weeks now? A couple at least. God, I don't even know. It's been so cold here in Canada, and I know it's been so cold all along the central United States as well, and like Ottawa and Ontario. It's just been crazy. Like, people's faces are freezing. It's just nuts. So I have no heat here except for the little block heater that's just humming away on the tractor there. But yeah, I want to show you my rods. Anyway, these are the new Kimpex upgraded tie rod end kit that I got to go on this bike because I just got sick of the tie rod end and rod problem that I've been having with the stock ones. Mind you, the stock ones are stock. I've never changed them except for the tie rod ends. Those have been changed a couple times just because they're not holding up very well, just because the terrain I drive, and of course, you know, you got to adjust as the terrain lets you, I guess, or as it calls for it. So these are 12mm tie rod ends, and you can see the beefiness of it. Mind you, nothing's set right now. They're just setting in there and loose and everything like that. But if we look at the stock ones, compared to the new ones, there's quite a bit of difference there. These are the stock 10mm with the stock tie rod ends. And yeah, you can definitely tell the difference. By the way, I'm not really a fan of that. Maybe it's going to work better. That's for adjusting it. Once you get these jam nuts loose, you can put a set of vice grips or a pair of pliers on, something like that, and then you can move that in and out in order to adjust your camber? No, not camber. Toe in and toe out type thing. These ones have just this flat section here that a little 10mm wrench fits over. Yeah, I don't know if I like either one of them, but you gotta work with what you're given. So anyway, I just thought it was a good idea to just show you. Anyway, this is the kit that I got for the Grizzly 660, and this fits a whole bunch of stuff here. Yeah, 660, YFM 550, the 700s. So they're pretty universal, and they even fit a couple Cowies in the Suzuki there. Anyway, and I put in good ball bearings. These are from C&H Industrial or Case, Case New Holland, C&H Case New Holland. And you know what? You get what you pay for, and I've said it many times, and I have not in the past heeded my own advice in terms of what to get for quality. This time I'm going quality. You can save up a couple extra bucks and just get what you know is going to work better. Everybody knows I'm not a fan of all balls. I had at one point, like this sticker here, I had like just tons of these stickers all over my toolboxes, and I was like, yeah, oh look, there's some right there, look. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. So that would have been 6 pairs of all balls wheel bearings I put on this bike before I realized, wow, I shouldn't do that anymore. I should actually heed my own advice and then actually buy some decent ball bearings. And that's what I've been doing. I'm going with industrial ball bearings instead of just this all balls junk crap. Some things in all balls are okay, but just not their bearings. I had either it was the front or rear, I can't even remember now. The front bearing, that was the front bearing, no, it was the rear bearing. The rear bearing, I replaced the bearing and seal kit with an all balls bearing and seal kit, and I did the same with the front. The front lasted and just seems to do well, and then it went out again, so I replaced that with industrial bearings. That was many years ago, and it's still running strong. The rear has been redone after the all balls, but I had bought a brand new kit, brand new all balls ball bearing and seal kit for the rear differential, and within the first ride, the pilot bearing that I had replaced failed.